Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A16, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now, this should also remove a screen lock, though I'm not exactly certain about it, so we'll see if that actually works. So anyway, I'm going to begin from here with the device being locked, and as you've seen, I do know my pattern, but I'm going to progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. So let's hold our power key, and from there we're going to select power off. There we go. And once the device turns off, let's hold power key and volume down at the same time. You should see recovery mode at the bottom, so at that point you can let go of both keys and simply wait for the actual mode to show up on the screen. And then what we need to do is select our language that we want to use, and wipe data and format data, and it looks like it does remove a screen lock. Now right here it tells us to put in a kind of like a verification pin or code. This is just for strictly to prevent someone from mistakenly, I guess, formatting their device. Now the code is provided right here, so all we need to do is input it in your keypad right here. So that's the only verification, and this code is always visible. And if you leave it, as you can see, it will always change. So this is just some randomly generated code that you need to input to actually confirm the actual process. So anyway, I'm going to put mine 9375. Now do keep in mind when typing that code in, the keypad right here is really slow, so if you type it quicker, it won't register every keystroke, so just try to type it in slower. And select format, and this will now begin the process. Now the entire thing should probably take about 5 minutes or so, maybe a little bit less, to finish up, and once it has, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.